changed my mind. I'm gonna put in the screen now. I'm gonna try and connect this thing and make sure that the new hard drive is recognized. So I no longer need any of this stuff. Because you know what? I think it should be fine either way if I could do the strips later on. Okay, so we're gonna do that now. Trick is I do not want this one to fall. So it shoots a little loose. Let me just make sure this thing is sturdy enough. This way to get on the safe side. Get this clock out of the way. Timing is of no use at this point. This way I know it's secure, so before I do that, let's put some plugs in first. Plug it in. Let's put a keyboard in. Let's do all that first, and then I'm going to put the screen on. I just went downstairs, got everything I need. Mouse, keyboard, hard drive that I cloned earlier, just in case I need it, and then power cord. So I'm going to set all this stuff up first. Might as well. And then start reattaching the screen. And then set it on the SSD drive, and of course this one right here. It's here. It's here. So I should get to. It's pretty short, so hopefully I got this. So everything we need. So it's still connected. Again, just in case we need it. I have no idea what's going to happen. When we boot this bad boy up. Power's there. Okay. So, like I said, I'm going to retape it up later once I know things get to go. Until then. Okay. I think we're good. I just gotta reconnect these cables. Phone first. All right. And that's it. So, a moment of truth. We're going to be looking at it upside down for a second, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, put some power. Let's hope it doesn't blow up on me. Wish me luck. Power's back in. I guess I should do Command R. Yeah, so let's start off with Command R. So far, good sign. Okay, let's try to find So what I wanted to do, I want to go into like a recovery. I think it's Command R. It's going to be tough. I'm going to have to come around this way. Put it in my network. My Wi-Fi. And the good sign of the Wi-Fi looks like it's working. So it looks like I might be just reinstalling the OS, downloading it. This may take some time, so just pause it until it's done.